Black diamonds hold your light. Come closer. Black diamonds hold your light. Slow wine for me. Black diamonds hold your light. In this midnight room, just you and I. Pressure turning into paradise. Every little touch, feel baptized. I see the diamonds in your eyes. They glow when you whisper, I'm yours tonight. They fade when you pull your love aside. They blaze when you pull my body tight. I read your skin like poetry. Every line a secret meant for me. Your heartbeat speaking fluently. Silent language dripping honestly. Potential in you, potential in me. Two calm and slow dancing over the sea. With royalty on these satin sheets. Golden blood running underneath. Ancient tides pulling on our feet. Drawing us close in this wet heat. Island moon playing hide and seek. Salt on your shoulder, lips on your cheek. We feel our way through in between. Where body and soul meet in a dream. We read each breath so carefully. You exhale truth, I inhale free. Like morning dew on a fourth leaf. You're my secret prayer, my lucky piece. Our clover lies here in tangled sheets. Our glow is born from everyday feet. We hold our light, never retreat. Wine on the rhythm, slow and sweet. We hold our light, never retreat. Your shadow and mine move to the beat. Black diamonds hold your light.